Nakaka-frustrate, diba? Yung tipong akala mo matatapos na, pero ang dami pang kailangang ayusin. Parang endless na yung project timeline mo. Don't worry, we've been there. Pero ano nga ba ang solusyon? Kung gusto mong malaman, panoorin mo ito. Good day to you! Bago ako sa channel ko, I'm Engineer Fred Jumampo, a licensed civil engineer and a contractor with 13 years of experience in the field of construction. Today, we're diving into the importance of a construction schedule and paano mo ito magagawa on your own. Let's get started! Why construction schedule is important? Bakit nga ba napaka-importante ng construction schedule sa bawat building project? Una sa lahat, it helps you manage your time and resources effectively. Imagine mo, may blueprint ka ng bawat step from start to finish para itong roadmap na nagbibigay ng direction at milestones. At the end of the day, this schedule will save you time, money, and a lot of stress. A construction schedule ensures that you can track progress, anticipate delays, and manage your budget wisely. Without it, you're navigating blindly and reacting to issues as they come. With a well-planned schedule, proactive ka, always one step ahead. At tandaan, ang pagiging organized sa schedule ay hindi lang para maiwasan ng stress. It also allows you to enjoy the process of building your dream home. Now, let's move on to understanding the basics of how to create a construction schedule. Don't worry, hindi ito rocket science. Kayang-kaya mo itong gawin. There are 4 key elements you need to focus on: scope, time, resources, and money. Ang scope ay kabuuang trabaho na kailangan tapusin. Time is how long each task will take. Resources are the materials, tools, and people needed to complete the task. And syempre, alam mo na yun. Pero parang ganito lang yan eh. Imagine mo na nagbe-bake ka ng cake. Alam mo dapat ang ingredients, resources. Then kailangan mo bilhin, money. Kung paano ito gagawin step by step, scope, at gaano katagal ito bago maging cake, time. Ready na ba kayo? Here are step-by-step guide on how to create a construction schedule for beginners. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1, define your project scope. Una, define your project. Ano-ano ba ang mga tasks na kailangan mong tapusin? Make a list of all major and minor tasks. Example, sa bahay mo, foundation, framing, roofing, plumbing, sanitary, electrical work, etc. Be as detailed as possible. Tasks should be specific and measurable. The more detailed, the better. This way, you won't miss any crucial steps. Magandang idea rin na mag-brainstorm kasama ang mga kasama mo sa project para siguradong walang makakalimutan. Step 2, estimate time for each task. Gaano katagal ang bawat activity? Do some research or consult with professional kung di ka sigurado. Remember to account for potential delays and include some buffer time. It's better to overestimate than underestimate, but with caution. Halimbawa, kung sa tingin mo ay tatagal ng 2 days ang isang task, dagdagan mo ng kalahating araw o isang araw bilang buffer time para safe. Step 3, identify resources needed. Kailangan alamin natin kung ano yung mga resources na kailangan. Sino-sino ang kailangan mo? Anong materials ang kakailanganin? Make sure you have everything listed down. This helps in preventing any surprise shortages and ensures that you can keep the project moving without unnecessary interruptions. At huwag kalimutan ang tools and equipment. Make sure na nasa tamang kondisyon ang lahat bago simulan ang trabaho. Step 4, sequence your task. Ano ang uunahin mo? Which tasks depend on others? Create a logical order for your task. For example, hindi ka pwedeng mag-painting kung wala ka pang walls. Use tools like Gantt charts or project management software to visualize the sequence and overlap of tasks. This will make it easier to track your progress. At huwag kalimutan na i-review ito with your team para siguradong walang overlook na details. Step 5, create a detailed timeline. Gamitin ang lahat ng impormasyon mo na nakalap to map out each task on a calendar. Include start and end dates for each task. A well laid out timeline makes it easier to see the overall project and helps identify any potential bottlenecks before they occur. Minsan, mas madali kung magsimula ka sa end date tapos work backwards to figure out the start date for each task. Step number 6, allocate resources and assign tasks. Sino ang gagawa ng alin? Make sure everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. Clear assignment of tasks prevent confusion and ensures accountability. Everyone should know exactly what is expected of them. Importanteng magkaroon ng regular check-ins with your team para siguradong on track lahat. Step 7, monitor progress and adjust as needed. Regularly check the status of each task. Be ready to make adjustments sa schedule if necessary. Flexibility is key. Unexpected issues will arise, but with a good monitoring system, you can adapt and keep the project on track. Use project management tools to keep everything organized and up to date. Marami dyan ang free or affordable. So, there you have it, mga kaibigan. By creating a construction schedule, you'll be well on your way to completing your project on time and within budget. Kaya, huwag magpapastress. Planuhin lang ng maayos. Remember, the key to a successful project is in planning. With a good construction schedule, you can achieve your dream home without the hassle. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, comment below kung may tanong kayo or topics you want us to cover, and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guides on your home building journey. Hit that notification bell para updated ka sa aming latest videos. Maraming salamat! Ingat!